How to turn Firewall on and off on Windows. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy method to toggle your Firewall settings on your Windows. First of all, go to your Windows icon and head over to Settings. Once your settings is open, head over to the Privacy and Security tab. If you are on Windows 10, it might be a bit different for you. You're going to have to go to Windows Update, and then you'll find this settings. From here, head over to Windows Security, and another pop-up will appear on your screen on Windows Security. You'll find the Firewall and Network Protection, so just click on it. Now on this window, you should be able to see all of your firewall settings. So you'll see your domain network, your private network, as well as your public network. So if you head over to domain, if you want to toggle this Defender firewall, just turn it off and you'll get a confirmation. If you want to, just click on yes. I'm not going to do that right now. So you can go back, do the same thing for private network, turn it off like so. And you could do the same for public network as well. So that's how you basically toggle your firewall on and off on Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.